What's up, everybody? Just wanted to say hi to my official 5 will work for free subscribers, with 4 of them being my mom. All of us are gonna have a great time with this next video. It's actually gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna be leaving on my trip to Copenhagen and then going into Malmo, Sweden to do my very first work exchange experience. But what I'm gonna teach you guys today is how to pack indefinitely for all climate, all weather, all different types of the years as far as weather is concerned. So let's have some fun and get to it. What to pack for your travel adventures today. Travel backpack. 2 pairs of shorts, board shorts, gym shorts, jeans and travel pants, long sleeve shirt, dress shirt, warm long sleeve shirt, beanie, scarf, 3 t-shirts, 1, 2, 3. We also have 1 tank, a bunch of socks and thong underwear, compact sleeping bag, warm puffy jacket, Gortex waterproof jacket, travel towel, belt, pouch of electronics and necessities, rain cover for pack, GoPro crap, eye mask and earplugs, laptop stuff, hydration bladder, lock, deck of cards, MacBook Pro, passport, bracelet, sunglasses, watch and wallet, toiletries, cash, headphones, sandals, shoes, and finally, your cell phone. And magic, bam! You are ready to travel. Oh yeah. Also, you want to make sure you have a paper copy of your driver's license, a paper copy of your insurance, also a paper copy of your immunization record, and finally your passport. Have all of those also with you and somebody else that you know back home that can have them just in case you lose them or need to prove that you are you. And the last important rule, just don't forget your passport. That's the only thing that you really need. Everything else you can buy in whatever country you're gonna go to. So just go out there, screw it, have fun. If you forget something, who cares? Just live it up, enjoy yourself. My name is Alex. Will Work for Free is coming to you very shortly. Next time you see me, I'll be in Malmo, Sweden. Let's get it on.